Sebastian looking for Sam on the move now. 5 minutes 15 seconds. Montebon pass to Daniel. 4 against 8. Up by 4. Adapon. Bring it out. Fires away. Payosan on the run. Payosan for the team on the move. Daniel. Hold up to Daniel. Pass. Sebastian with the ball. Pass to the Castillo. 3 minutes 40 seconds. Shot clock 15. Payosan, logging, pass to the Castillo. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Sebastian with the ball. Logging. Shot clock 5. Jump shot. Patterson, here comes Patterson. Montebon, fires away. Payosan with the ball. Starting to play, logging, pass to Sebastian. Sebastian with the ball, logging, pass. To the Patterson, 5 against 21, Montebon, pass to Sigua. Sigua with the ball, here comes Sigua. Here comes Payosan now, that's good. Bring it out. Payosan logging, pass. Rivera. 37 seconds, shot clock 15. Rivera outside pass to the ball. 53 seconds, shot clock 10. Pass it out. Osman for the rebound, 27 seconds. Carabio, on the run. Shot clock 15, logging, pass. Carabio, shot clock 10. 10 seconds. Here comes Carabio, pass. Then the player with the ball, starting the play. 7 minutes 40 seconds. Carabio, no pass to the outside. 7 minutes 45 seconds. To the player, here comes the ball. 15 seconds. 15 against 27. Carabio, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Carabio, pass. Makapol, pass to Malacca. Sereno, logging, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Asigua, here comes Asigua, pass to the ball. Didapatkan the rebound, pass to the ball. 22 against 32. 5 minutes 45. Big now to the ball, pass to Basha, looking for a step. Basha puts it off. Yes, the Basha. 5 minutes 45 seconds. Kilo, outside by the Castillo, bring it out. Kilo for the team, Kilo. Pass to Kilo. Shot clock 13, pass it out. Didapatkan the rebound. Double team. Lane. The ball, pass to the Kilo. Lebanon to the left side. Carabio with the ball, Levy, back to Esprita, 5 minutes, Harbor lead. 5 minutes. Carabio starting to play 4 minutes 40 seconds. Carabio on the move, the ball back to the ball, pass to Payosan. Pass to Basha, Hazel by Sigua, looking for a step, bring it up. Basha with the ball. Carabio logging. Pass to number 14, pass to Montebon, fires away. 30 seconds. Bayosa to Demeselio, shot clock 15. Demeselio outside pass to the ball. Ball away. Lecho for the rebound. Osho pass to us. Daniel, bring it out. Daniel with the ball. Here comes Daniel. 6 minutes 15 seconds. Demeselio. Here comes Demeselio. Pass to the ball. Looking for a set. Shot clock 10. Here comes the ball. Pass it out. 6 minutes 35 seconds. Asima pass to Daniel. Daniel away. Daniel. Shot clock 10. Lecho for the ball. Pass to Demeselio. Bring it out. Demeselio with the ball. Bounce pass. Number 13. Basha. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Sarabia, here comes Sarabia, live. That's the foul. Valiente, pass to Dignas. 65 against 53. Dignas, running back to Valiente. Fires away. Lecho for the rebound. Shot clock 14. Lecho for the rebound. Kay Lecho. 1 minute 35 seconds.
Wala makuha. Wala sa bot. Wala sa bot, Jammer. Wala sa bot.
55 again, 65.
Asing ba?
Seconds on the shot clock. 55 seconds, shot clock 10. Shot clock 10. 48 seconds. Tinatakan, tinatakan, pasal by Osho. Here comes tinatakan, Aribu. With a finger. 35 seconds. That's shot to a finger. Here comes a finger. Pass it on. 30.6. 25 seconds. That's the ball. Here comes the ball. Sarabia, win ball, outside pass. Daniel, pass, shot clock 14. Here comes Sarabia on the move. Sarabia in the ball. The one on the run. Pass to Demeselio. Here comes Demeselio. Pass, Bayosan, ball. Bayosan, pass it out. Yay, pass to Daniel. Basha with the ball, outside, throwing it out. Basha for the field, pass. Bayosan, Demeselio, pass it out. It's foul. Shot clock 13, 6 minutes 53, ball pass. Chanago, pasok ka Rabio, behind the ball, pass. Tinago Paulino, basket, Paulino. Sinatagay, box it out. Basket for Sinatagay. Shot clock 15. Basket for the rebound. Demesario, here comes Demesario, Leo. Demesario, 6 minutes, 28 seconds. Demesario, Chanago. Basket Demesario. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Rabio, logging, pass for the Mate, jump shot. Basket for the Mate. 6 minutes, time remaining for the last period. Payosan on the move. Basket. Rabio, 4 minutes, 30 seconds. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 4 minutes, 43, shot clock void. Minutes, 25 seconds. Daniel, outside by Rabio, level ball set. Shot clock 14, the ball. Foul. Rabio, 14. Shot clock 15. Kick shot, basket for the Mate. 2 minutes, 15 seconds. 82 against 71. Demesario. Shot clock 14, outside pass. Pass away. Balansa, Balansa. Basket for the Mate. Pass 2 minutes, 25 seconds. Rabio, bring it up. Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10. 2 minutes, 5. Mayada, reverse. Basket 2 points. 1 minute 25 seconds. Rabio, here comes Sancho. 1 minute 17. Tinatagyan to the ball. 5 away. 3. 1 minute 13. 1 minute 10 seconds. Ay, ang score din. 79-87. 1 minute 5. Shot clock 15. Rabio, pabalansa. 1 minute time remaining. Shot